Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see how we can create an Costco account. So let's get started. Open any web browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. In the URL bar, type costco.com and press enter. Now we are directed to the Costco home page. Costco is a wholesale platform where we can buy various luxurious to daily needs goods at a very discounted price. On the top right corner, we can see sign in/register. So click on it. Now we are redirected to the sign in page. Here, if you already have an registered email and password, we can simply sign in from here. But since we are new to Costco, we will click on create an account. Here, add a valid email address as I am typing one. Now, type a password which matches the following requirements. Now, retype the same password, and since the password are matched, we can move further. Now, here we can add membership number as well, but this part is completely optional. We can enable this button if you want to receive emails regarding new products and promotions. So now, click on create an account. So yes, our account is successfully created. This is how you can create a Costco account online. Thanks for watching.